Welcome back, everyone. This is Anirudh, and today we'll continue our chapter Integers. This is part 4. In the previous video, we learned about addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and multiplicative inverse. In today's video, we'll learn multiplication and division of integers. So, these are the rules to be followed in multiplication of integers. Rules to be followed in multiplication of integers. So the rules are: the product of two positive integers is always positive. The product of two negative integers is always positive, and the product of a positive and a negative integer is always a negative. So we'll take some examples. 8 into 7, two positive integers, and you get a positive result as the product. Now we'll take two negative integers, -5 and -9. You get 45, which is again a positive integer. So two negative integers gives you a positive result. Now we'll check one positive and one negative integer. 9 into -7. -63 is the result. It is a negative integer. So the product of a positive and a negative integer is negative. Now, in division of integers also, we need to follow the same rules as in multiplication, which means the quotient of two positive integers is positive. The quotient of two negative integers is positive, and the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is negative. We'll take some examples. 8 divided by 4. Two positive integers, the quotient is also positive. Now we'll take two negative integers, -100 divided by -50. You get 2, which is again a positive, so the quotient of two negative integers is also positive. Now we'll take a positive and a negative integer. 30 divided by -10 will give you a negative integer. So the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is negative. Note: the quotient or the product depends upon the number of negative signs in the question. So if there are odd number of negative signs, then the product or quotient will be negative, always be negative. If there are even number of negative signs in the question, then the result will be positive. So this is multiplication and division of integers. This completes our chapter integers. Stay tuned for my next videos of other chapters. Thank you and bye.